Have a TR3 ebook file from a reference library or encyclopedia collection? This is an ebook format from a classic mobile reference reader. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read and access these TomeRaider ebook files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the TR3 format, but we'll attack the top issues first. TR3 files are ebook files used by TomeRaider 3, a reference, an ebook reader application popular on Pocket, PC, Palm, and Windows platforms. They contain compressed text content with hierarchical navigation indexes, images, and formatting for large reference works and encyclopedias. TR3 files use a proprietary compressed format optimized for fast searching and navigation of large reference texts. The structure includes a navigation tree, full text search index, embedded images, compressed text content, and metadata supporting hyperlinks and category browsing. System file recognition for TR3 is optimized for TomeRaider by yottabyte. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows may identify the file type, but actual reading requires an ebook application. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your TR3 file and click Open With. Test with TomeRaider if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If you still cannot open your TR3 file, that is okay. It's typically one of 3 basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, opening with TomeRaider. Install TomeRaider 3 on Windows Pocket, PC, Palm OS, or Symbian devices, though the application is no longer actively developed. Launch TomeRaider and open the TR3 file to access the ebook with full search navigation and image display features intact. Next, converting to modern formats. Use conversion tools or scripts to extract TR3 content into modern ebook formats like EPUB or PDF. The TomeRaider conversion utilities exported earlier versions, but TR3 conversion may require manual extraction. Check Archive TomeRaider community resources for conversion guidance. Finally, finding alternative sources. Since TomeRaider is legacy software search for modern editions of the same content in EPB, MOBI, or PDF format. Many TR3 reference works, including Wikipedia snapshots, have been re-released in current ebook formats compatible with Calibre Kindle and modern e-readers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.